Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Sang Pemandu. Today I just want to show you my banana. It's in Indonesian language we call uh, banana candle. Banana candle. Over there, yeah, see right. It's banana candle. The name of this banana is candle. Candle banana. You know, candle banana. In local language we call candle banana. I think it's not ripe yet, so we have to, I think we have to wait until 3 weeks atau 2 weeks more, guys.